Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fantastic Learntastic. I am Samrat Gupta. Welcome back to another awesome video. In this video, I am going to be discussing a biology topic, digestive system. Let's get started. So, in this video, we are going to be studying the digestive system in humans. Let us start with food for life. Now, we already know that a food is a kind of a fuel as well as a kind of a building material for all the living organisms. Food contains nutrients. Now, what is a nutrient? The raw material our body needs to build everything from muscles and bones to the brain and the heart. Now, we drink milk and eat different type of food like bread, chapati, rice, butter, ghee, vegetables, fruits, meats, eggs, pulses, etc. Now, this food provides us with nutritive substances for growth and energy. Now, as you can see in the slide, I have classified into two parts, healthy food and junk food. A good choice of food, that is the healthy food, gives us what the body it needs, that is to grow and do to its daily task, while choosing junk food and the wrong food deprives the body of some of the nutrient it needs to function properly. So if we eat healthy food, we will stay healthy, active, and our growth and preparation of the muscles will continue. While if we eat junk food, it will decrease some of the nutrients that our body needs to function properly. Now, what does food provides us with? The food provides us with energy to do work, nutrients for the growth and repair of the damaged cells and tissues, and materials for keeping us healthy and disease free. Now, we are going to learn the food which provides us with all the necessary substances is known as a nutritious food. A nutritious food can be defined as a constituent of food that helps one way or the another in the body's function. Now, as you can see in the slide, I have given types of nutrients. As you can see, I have listed carbohydrate, protein, fat, mineral, and vitamin. So, what do these type of nutrients do? Carbohydrates like rice, potato, and sugarcane provide us with energy to do work. The proteins like meat, egg, milk provides the body with building material to grow. It provides the body with material so that it can make muscles. Fats are like ghee, oil, and butter provide energy like carbohydrates and help in insulating the body. In simple words, if we did not eat food, the fats will do the work of the carbohydrates. Therefore, we can conclude that fats store energy in our body. Minerals such as iron, sodium, and calcium are needed for the specific roles in the body. On the other hand, the last is vitamins. Vitamins are needed for the normal functioning of the various body processes like breathing. So, as you can see in the plate that I have inserted the picture of, carbohydrate, proteins, and fats. Carbohydrate, proteins, and fats are required in large quantities and hence they are called macronutrients, whereas the minerals and vitamins are required in very small, aka minute quantities, hence they are called micronutrients. So, let's continue. Nutrition. Now we'll study what is nutrition. Nutrition, the process by which all the living organisms obtain or synthesize their food into simpler substance so that it can be absorbed and utilized by the cells of the body. In simple words, we synthesize and break down the nutrients into simpler substances so that it can be absorbed and utilized by the body. Now, the whole process of this nutrition is conducted in 5 steps. They are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and digestion. So, let us start with the digestive system in humans. The food that we eat passes through the food canal. It is also known as the alimentary canal. It is a long muscular coiled tube. It starts from the mouth and ends at the anus. Now there are several digestive glands which consist of the salivary gland, the livers and the pancreas. They are associated with the food canal. The food canal along with the digestive glands form the digestive system. So what is basically digestion? It is the process by which the complex chemical compounds present in the food are broken down into simpler substances that are readily absorbed and utilized in the body. As you can see in the picture, this is the process of digestion. This is the organs required for digestion. We will start with the first organ, the mouth. The mouth is bordered by the upper and lower lips. The lips help in closing the mouth during swallowing. Now, the inside the mouth is present the teeth and the tongue. Food is taken through the mouth. This is called ingestion. Food is broken down into smaller pieces or chewed by the teeth. Types of teeth. Based on the different shapes and functions, human teeth are of 4 kinds. As you can see in the slide, incisors, canines, premolars, and the molars are the 4 different types of teeth. Let me explain about each of the types of teeth. Incisors are the 4 front teeth at the middle of the jaw. They are chisel shaped for biting and cutting. Canines are one on the either side of the incisors in each jaw. They are pointed for tearing the food. Now the premolars are the 2 on each side of canines in each jaw. They help in crushing and grinding the food. Molars are the last 3 teeth on each side of each jaw. They have broad, uneven surfaces for finer crushing and grinding on ingested food. Now, I will explain more about teeth and then we will see a diagram. The last molar on each side is called a wisdom tooth. The wisdom tooth appears at the age of 17 to 20 years. Some people, however, may not have wisdom tooth come out of their gums at all. Now, the human teeth develop in 2 sets. The first is the milk teeth and then is the temporary teeth consisting of 20 teeth, 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 molars only, and appear in young children. Now, if you listened that there are no premolars in a child. However, the teeth start falling out by the age of 5 to 6 years and get replaced with the permanent teeth by about 12 to 13 years of age. An adult human normally has 32 teeth in all. You as a child may have fewer, usually 28. Now we children have 20 to 28 teeth and adults have 32. The teeth cut and break the food into smaller pieces and also grind the food into a pulp so that it can be swallowed easily. The teeth also helps in speaking. Now let's see a diagram. As you can see in the first picture, they have stated all the placement of the incisors. As you can see, the first 4 teeth is the incisors in each jaw. There's the canine, the premolars, the molars, and the last tooth, wisdom tooth. The same is on the other side of the jaw, and on the upper jaw and the lower jaw are the same. Now, for your information, I have stated another diagram to tell what tastes the tongue has. As you can see, the last part of the tongue is taste bitter. The left side of the upper left corner is sour, and also the upper right is sour. The bitter down part, both right and left are salty, and the most exact down part is sweet. Thank you, and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Fantastic, Luntastic. I will continue this video in my other parts. Hope to meet you soon.